If you're searching for a home that's close to downtown Gilbert, you're looking for Estates at the Spectrum in beautiful Gilbert, Arizona. Hi, I'm Nicole Kleppe with RE/MAX Fine Properties, and today I'd like to introduce you to my new listing at 4469 South Cobblestone Street in beautiful Gilbert, Arizona. From the moment you enter the home, you are greeted by a cozy family room with a gas fireplace, perfect for chilly Arizona winter nights. This great room floor plan is nice for gatherings or entertaining. The kitchen is large and open with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. And as it's off the family room, the chef of the family can prepare a meal and not miss any of the action. The dining area has large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The split floor plan is perfect for those that value privacy, with 3 bedrooms, an office with built-ins, and a single bath on one side and the owner suite on the other. Speaking of the owner suite, it's large, has its own private entrance, a large soaking tub, and a huge walk-in closet. The laundry room completes this wing. Like Citrus, you'll love the backyard with plenty of room for a pool and barbecue, and it overlooks a community park. For more information, contact me, Nicole Kleppe, at 480-370-1608. Thank you.